Hi there. So today I am going to record something on this tape. This is a simple, ferro tape type 1 that we call by Sony. Very simple. It's not chrome, it's not metal. I'll be using my Nakamichi ZX7 to record onto this tape. Now, any good tape deck has, the ability to record on four parameters: azimuth, level, bias, and equalization. Nakamichi has got all those four settings, and I'll be using a file from the Hindi movie Golmaal that I have already digitized. So just take a look at how I go about it. This is the tape. Here goes the tape inside the well. A little bit of fast forward. Stop it. This is a type 1 tape, so I am gonna choose EX. Also, the equalizer needs to be at 120, not at 70. 70 is meant for chrome and metal. Now, what we need to do is put the deck in the recording mode, and A, that is azimuth. The first setting is azimuth. Here I press it. I get the red light. That means the recording head is pretty well, aligned. Had this light been glowing, I would have moved this knob onto the right and vice versa. You saw that flicker on the right side? Well, that is avoidable. I think I need to make it little bit on the left. I'm going this side. Now, once done, you press this azimuth and you get the level. The level on the left channel is slightly weak. Yes, I have got the level done. Now for the bias. The bias on the left channel again seems to be a little weak. So we'll take it there. Yeah, we got it. A repeat check is required. So this is the level. This is the bias, which has slightly increased. We can bring it back and adjust it. It takes a little bit of time. I'm not going into too much of detailing, but this is precisely we have arrived at the calibration levels. Yeah, let's check the azimuth once again. Yes, we got the azimuth. Oh, it's flickering, so let's move it to the left. Oh, anti-clockwise. Yes, now it is steady. Perfect. Perfect. This is okay. Then I hit the reset button and this deck goes back to the point where it started from. Now it's ready to be recorded. I am pressing the record, pause, and this knob needs to be moved to the source. I am not going to use Dolby. I generally don't use, so it will remain where it is. Yeah. And let's play the music from.
Beautiful. ये सब आपने किया?
जी हाँ।
Fantastic.
Let's have the levels.
देखिए, मेरा टेस्ट लेकर आप मुझे फेल ना कर दीजिएगा। मुझे गाना वाना नहीं आता। खासकर आपके सामने तो मैं गा ही नहीं सकती।
क्यों?
आप इतने बड़े कलाकार हैं और
जी मैं तो
पिछले साल रंगभवन में आज के कलाकार सम्मेलन में आपने गाना गाया था ना? सच पूछिए तो गाने का शौक मुझे उसी दिन से शुरू हुआ। कितनी तलाश की आपकी, आपका गाना शुरू होने के थोड़ी देर बाद ही मैं वहां पहुंची थी ना, इसलिए आपका नाम तक पता नहीं चला था।
गॉड इज ग्रेट। ये बहुत अच्छा हुआ।
जी
मेरा मतलब है नाम में क्या है? व्हाट्स नेम आफ्टर ऑल? असली चीज है संगीत।
वो तो मुझे आपका गाना सुनकर ही पता चल गया था। मेहरबानी करके वही गाना एक बार फिर सुना दीजिए प्लीज। उस दिन ऐसा लगा जैसे दुनिया में एक बड़ा सा खुला खुला सा मैदान है और उस मैदान में मैं आपकी आवाज के साथ अकेली हूँ। तभी से मैं उस आवाज की तलाश में भटक रही हूँ। सोते जागते सपने देखती हूँ, उठते बैठते आपके बारे में सोचती रहती हूँ कि
Yes, we have achieved what we wanted to, and this is something that I wanted to show about how to use a Nakamichi deck. This is considered to be one of the finest cassette decks ever made, as far as recording capabilities go. Yeah, this is the calibration point where you have got bias, level, azimuth, and on top you have got the EQ. So A, B, L, E. A, B, L, and E. And this section is for type 1, this section is for type 2 tapes, and this section is for metal tapes. Metal, chrome, normal. I hope you enjoyed the video. If there is any questions, you can always ask.